My name is Heidi Taylor. I am 61 years old and I had a mini facelift and a neck lift. Mainly, I was unhappy. I was starting to get little jowls here and I was starting to have a lot of wrinkles on my neck. And so I had the procedure done. He did a wonderful job. I actually researched and went to about 4 plastic surgeons before I came across Dr. Kim, and when I seen that he specialized in faces, I thought, well, why not go to a surgeon that's all he does is work on faces versus a plastic surgeon that does, you know, the whole body. I figured he would be a specialist and would do the best procedure. And after visiting the website that you guys had, I really loved the pictures and the natural look that the patients had on the videos and so forth, and so that I booked an appointment, came here, and really enjoyed my meeting with him. And he was very realistic as far as what the procedure would entail and the outcome, and decided to go with him after, like I said, visiting 4 or 5 plastic surgeons. Well, my life before was, I guess I really didn't pay a lot of attention to my appearance. I spent the last 2 years working from home. So I was sort of bumming around the house, and then once I started going back out in public, I'm like, wow, I really aged in the last 2 years. COVID did it to me with all the stress. So I was very unhappy with, like I said, you know, the wrinkly neck and the starting of the jowls. So I thought, well, I might as well do something for myself, and I decided to have something done about it. So I wish I wouldn't have waited as long as I did, but you know, it's a big step, and I do a lot of research before I decided to do what I did. So yes, I would definitely recommend the procedure. I guess the main thing, the concern I had was, you know, how I didn't want to look overly processed. I didn't want to look, you know, like my pulled back or like I've seen other people. So I wanted a natural look. I mean, I'm 61. I didn't want to look like I'm trying to be 30. But one of the things that was a little shocking for me is, you know, the swelling afterwards. I went online, I Googled, you know, what the surgery should look like, and they are not realistic. I mean, I really swelled up. I looked like a football. But that went away probably in the first week. I was still swollen. You definitely need someone there the first few days to help take care of you because you're sort of out of it at the time. But once the swelling starts slowly going out, going away, definitely could see the results. I would say it was, I took a 2-week vacation and I stayed home for another week and worked from home because I was still swollen. So I would say it'd be about 3 weeks before you could really go out in public, or I felt comfortable going out in public. But it was definitely worth it.